Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while, we've had things to do at work, but I'm back now, and as you can see, we've got another toy to build. Slightly better condition than the CR500. If you haven't seen the CR500 video yet, I suggest go and look at it. There's a series of videos, but there's the one at the end which summarizes everything in a few minutes, so worth going to check that. But this is the next one. This is one of 4 bikes coming, 4 RMs that I'm getting in. I've decided to go RM crazy. This is the 250, the biggest of the 4. They're all 1982 models, very sought after. Picked this one up in Bristol. So yeah, very excited about doing this one. Got a box full of bits and pieces here, as you can see. A lot of rusty parts, nothing unusual for me. Rare original side panels. Again, very rare exhaust pipe. The barrel, that's a bit rusty. Oh, there's the piston. Let's see what happened there. Wow, there's some piston problems on that one. So yeah, next you see this will be a little bit of movement there. Oh, this is a good start. Look at this. I'm sorry I didn't film this, but I've unseized this. I mean, this was properly seized. I had to use a rubber mallet to start to move it. I just think it's been sitting open for so long. I thought that maybe there was a heat seize in this bearing, and as a result it was completely seized up, but I think it's just been sitting open. There's a lot of muck in there, but I managed to get it rolling, and this is just there's no play in that. Hear that? That's the main bearing. Oh, that's all right. I think I might have a problem with the gear shift anyway. It is working, but something's gone on inside which needs to be fixed. Right, let's see if electronics are still in here. Oh, yes. The tank looks good. There's no holes. Where's my kill switch? Looks good. Yeah, that's probably why that went. There is far too much slap in that. Just need to see if I can get some spark. And I mean, that would be a bonus. Let's see. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. I've put all the parts together. Now we can see what parts are missing, what parts need replacing. You can see the pipes need quite a lot of work, but that is the original pipe. All the bits fit on. So we've got most of the parts. You can see it's in a pretty rough state, but a lot better than the CR was, if you remember seeing that. If you haven't seen that video, go and have a look at it. That bike was properly damaged. I mean, this one is looking like I can get the engine sorted for a few £100. Get that rebored with a new piston. I'm going to split the case, see what's going on with the gears. I see I've just got a dent in the wheel, so then I'm going to have to kink that out. Replace the seat, do the plastics, paint, and she's done. It's a good looking bike. see these are wrong. This is, I think this is a 78 guard, or certainly an older one. So that's got to come off. And there is the kill switch. Just found it. Okay, that's where it was hiding. This is kind of working still. These flats are probably properly jammed down here. So this is the main jet. So imagine what the pilot jet's like. Let's try and blast this through. I'm going to try and straighten these bars.